Goodbye, Hamas. And China, SpaceX releases quite X-59 supersonic aircraft to replace F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor, America's air superiority fighter, has ruled the skies for decades. But what if I told you its replacement is here? And it's not just any jet, it's the X-59, a silent supersonic aircraft designed by NASA and Lockheed Martin. And guess who's backing this revolutionary project? None other than SpaceX. SpaceX, best known for revolutionizing space travel, has now set its sight on something even bigger: supersonic dominance. The X-59 is unlike anything we have seen before: faster, stealthier, and engineered for a new kind of warfare. Designed to eliminate the air shattering sonic bomb, the X 59 is a game changer in stealth technology. Unlike traditional supersonic jet, which create loud booms when breaking the sound barrier, the X 59 generates only a soft thump, making it nearly impossible to detect when flying at high speed. With global tensions rising, especially with China's J-20 and J-35 fighters challenging US air dominance, the Pentagon is looking for an edge. And the X-59 might must be answered. It's designed to surpass the F-22 Raptor in speed, range, and stealth, all while maintaining NASA's signature aerodynamics and SpaceX cutting engineering. This aircraft is not just built for speed, it's built for next generation warfare, equipped with AI assisted flight controls, hypersonic missiles capabilities, and an advanced electronic warfare suit. The X 59 can strike before the enemy even knows it's there.